Okay, so just delete everything. Okay, perfect. Smooth. That is okay for this selection, and just go down and exclude. ओके अभी मैंने इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें करी नहीं है. साइज़ अभी मैंने कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करी नहीं है साइज़ में. सो यहाँ पे जस्ट गो एंड 250. लेट्स चेक व्हाट आई हैव. ओह माय गॉड, दिस इज huge. So just go with 5,000. Yep. 3,000. 4,000. Yep. Done. Not 4,000, just 3,000 is okay. With some random seeds. Yep. Just go back. This one is perfect. Okay. So there is something different trees, come with. So I don't need, there is so much big areas. So what I do? ओके परफेक्ट. सो अभी हम चलते हैं थोड़ा नेक्स्ट मूव करते हैं और यहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं अनदर स्कैटर टूल एंड यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दीज ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके here's and render, but first of all let's go and disable this one. Just disable this one. Also this one is also disable. Yep, there is oh my god, this is अगर आप ये ब्रिज का जो भी चीज़ें लेते हैं तो इनको एक बार आपको रोटेट करवाना पड़ेगा 90 डिग्री. 0, 90 degree and 90 degree is okay. No, 0, just 0, 90 degree to 90 degree, minus up, minus 90 degree, minus 90 degree. Yep, yeah, okay, done. So these are perfect now. Just go and select from 50 to 150 and 10,000 random seeds. Boom, 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 boom. That's perfect. So I don't want this one in these two areas, this one and this one. Yep. So delete this one. I need this one, this area. I need this in this area. So this is perfect. So now what I do is stop everything and select enable also and render. Yeah, not 100% is good. ओके ऐसा नहीं लग रहा बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे, मतलब एकदम वो हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रासेस एंड ऑल. तो यहाँ क्या करते हैं, कुछ हम यहाँ पे देते हैं लाइन यहाँ से ओके सो वर्टेक्स की डिलीट ओके एंड इसको मैंने और ऊपर उठा दिया। इसको मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ से एक्सक्लूड किया इसके साथ ऑल्सो, और ये जो है इसको भी मैंने एक्सक्लूड किया इसके साथ। तो ये चीज़ें क्या होगी आपके उस इतने एरिया के अंदर कम रहेगी या ना के बराबर हो जाएगी। दैट इज़ ओके। सो नाउ व्हाट आई डू, let's go with grass and make it something like 50,000. Okay, so just go with 1 lakh. Yep. And now what I do, यहाँ पे एक स्कैटर लिया, okay, or size, size is very important. So 50 to 150 is enough and everything is going good. Not 160 is okay, and from 20 to 160, 180, and the random seeds is yep. Oh, perfect. Now that's great. So enable this one also with the not 20,000, just 2,000, and enable with the speciality is what display speciality is, just exclude this one and just something bigger for 4, just 150, 250. Okay, something just something different from this area. So this is nice and okay. I'll just go with this one, and what is that? Okay, perfect. So now what I do with another areas, just go and nothing so much, I make a spline like this. Just go and select this one and make it also here some rotation. Okay, some rotation like this area, and make it something different. Just delete these all, also these, make it okay and perfect. Just go select, okay, something here and some of here. Okay, perfect. This one is for this one, and another thing is we can change something different way. So just go and make a scatter here and